So now indefinite integrals. We call integrals are anti-derivatives. E power n, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, e power x is e power x, a power x is a power x by log a. When you differentiate minus cos x, you are getting sin. Tan is log of mod secant x, cot is log of mod sin x. Integration of cosecant into cot minus cosecant x. K means constant. You know differentiation of constant is what? 0. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I am going to start a very important chapter, that is integrals, indefinite integrals. So here in today's class I'll teach you the basics. Once you are thorough with this will help you to learn the other chapter called applications. So now indefinite integrals. We call integrals are anti-derivatives. Other name for integral is what? Anti-derivative. Integrals are also called as anti-derivatives. So now how to read this? This symbol is read as integral. What is this symbol? Integral. Integral of f of x with respect to x. Integral of f of x with respect to x. So if I write this integration of g of x with respect to x, we read this as integral of g of x with respect to x. So integration f of x dx is read as integration of f of x with respect to x. And example, integration of 1 by x dx is log x. So I told you integration also called as antiderivatives. What is the meaning of this example? Here I told you what is integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x dx is log x. Why? Because plus c. Now you differentiate this, you will get this, because derivative of log x plus c gives you 1 by x. See here we say integration of 1 by x dx is log x plus c, where c is integral constant. So now meaning is simple. When you differentiate the answer, you will get the question. So let us take reverse. So I will take the answer. What is the answer? Log x plus c. So all of you find differentiation, d by dx of log x plus c. All of you know derivatives. What is d by dx of log x plus c? Differentiate log x plus differentiate x. So d by dx of log x plus d by dx of c. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Derivative of c is 0. Final answer 1 by x. That's why, so when I differentiate log x plus c, I get 1 by x. That's why when I integrate 1 by x, I will get log x. So integration of 1 by x is log x, and derivative of this is 1 by x. So that's why integrals are also called as anti-derivatives. One more example, let us take one more example. Now say integration of secant square x dx, suppose. Now think, what if you differentiate, you will get secant square x. So if I see the formula list, d by dx of sin x, what is d by dx of sin x? Cos x. So if I integrate cos x, I should get sin x. What is d by dx of cos x? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Means if I differentiate minus sin x, I will get cos x. And what is d by dx of tan x, my dear students? What is d by dx of tan x? Secant square x. Do you agree or not? Differentiation formula ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? Differentiation formula ಅಲ್ಲಿ differentiation of tan x ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? Secant square x ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದನೇ if I integrate secant square x, I will get tan x. That's it. So integration of secant square x is tan x. Why? Because derivative of tan x gives you secant square x. Means when you differentiate the answer, d by dx of log x, what is d by dx of log x? You know the formula list, derivative of log x is 1 by x. But always for indefinite integral means when there are no limits, we have to include plus c. Why? Because derivative of plus c also 0. So the whole thing, if you differentiate, you will get 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log x plus 2 is also 1 by x. Derivative of log x plus any constant is 1 by x. So that's why for indefinite integrals we should put plus c. Now coming back to the point, first you should know how to read this. Read this all of you. This is integral of f of x with respect to x. Now first you should know the symbolic notation. How to read this? Integration of sin x with respect to x. Integration of cos x with respect to x. Integration of 1 by x is what? Answer is log x. So we can't sit and inspect like this. That's why we have to be thorough with the formula. So now I'll start with the formula list. So before I go to the formula list, let us recollect derivatives and I'll write the reverse. So all of you know d by dx of sin x. What is d by dx of sin x? Minus cos x. So d by dx of cos x. What is d by dx of cos x? Sin x. That is the reason if I integrate sin x, integration of sin x is opposite. So sin x will get answer when I differentiate cos x. That's why integration of sin x is cos x. Not only this, I can say integration of sin x is cos x plus c. Why? Because minus cos x, and integration of cos x is positive sin x plus c. So if I integrate minus cos x, I'll get sin x. If I want minus sin x, so go on. So sin x integration is minus cos x integration is sin x integration. So like this we can do inspection and rearrange, but inspection method will not help us in long run. So we have to be thorough with the formula. Like how you have learned differentiation formula, you should become thorough with the differentiation. This is by inspection. If I integrate this, I'll get this. If I integrate this, I'll get this, like that. So now that's why we'll go for formula. So now we'll learn standard functions. So now I'm giving the formula for standard functions. We'll discuss formula for standard functions. What are the standard functions? The very first function is integration of x power n with respect to x. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So what is the first formula? Integration of x power n dx with respect to x is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Example, integration of x cube dx is x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. I am not differentiating, directly I am writing using the formula. So it will become x power 4 by 4 plus c. Means here I told you first formula is integration of x power n dx. What is integration of x power n dx? In the formula list. So memorize the formula. What is the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. We'll apply this formula. So one example also I'll write on the board. What is the example? Say integration of x power any number. Say I'll take 5 dx. So how to read this? Integration of x power 5 dx. It is in the form x power n. Do you agree? What is the formula for x power n? First become thorough with the first formula. What is the first formula? Integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is the first formula? Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now if I use formula above, in the place of n I have 5. So answer is x power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. After integrating, the sign goes. So finally we have x power 6 by 6 plus c. Now my dear students, you can verify. So now I got this as answer. I'll see whether what I got is correct or not. So how to verify? Differentiate it, you will get the answer. So now d by dx of x power 6 divided by 6 you do plus c. All of you know differentiation of x power n. I am going back to the last chapter. What is derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. Do you agree? So now we'll differentiate this. So all of you know 1 by 6 is constant. So if 1 by 6 is constant, take it out and apply d by dx only for what? X power 6. Now again apply d by dx for what? C. C means constant. So 1 by 6 is constant, take it out. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. 6 into x power 6 minus 1. Derivative of c is 0. So 6 cancels, you will get x power 5. So you got your question. When I differentiate this answer, I will get x power 5. This is your question. Question is x power 5. When I differentiate, I am getting it. So what is the conclusion? You can't inspect. So this is a formula. So if you learn the formula, so it's a long process to differentiate. This is the fastest process. So now what is the first formula in the list? Integration of x power n. What is the first formula in the list? Integration of x power n dx. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So the first formula in the formula list becomes thorough. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Next, integration of e power x. Integration of e power x is e power x. Integration of e power x dx is what? E power x only. e power x plus c. Always see, my dear students, if I write integration a to b f of x dx, if I write limits a b, we call it as definite integrals. So if I don't write like this, if I write just plain integration of f of x dx, we call it as indefinite. Now we are studying indefinite. So whenever you do indefinite, always we'll get plus c. Plus c is common. For every formula I should put what? Plus c. Therefore, what is second formula? What is the second formula? Integration of e power x with respect to x. What is integration of e power x with respect to x? E power x plus c. C is integral constant. You differentiate RHS, you will get LHS. So I will try differentiating RHS. So I will do d by dx of RHS. What is RHS? E power x plus c. That will give you d by dx of e power x plus d by dx of c. That is derivative of e power x is e power x and derivative of c is 0. So you will get e power x. So that's why integration of e power x is e power x. So two formulae we are done. We are done with second formula also. What is the second formula? Integration of e power x with respect to x. What is integration of e power x with respect to x? E power x plus c. So now two formulae I have written in the form board. First one, integration of x power n. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. If I give integration of x cube, it will become x power 4 by 4. Integration of e power x is e power x. Then integration of a power x. Third but important, integration of a power x dx. A power x is a power x by log base EA. Integration of a power x is a power x by log base EA. See, difference between the first one and third one. In first one, base is x. Second one, power is x. First one is variable power constant. Third one is constant power variable. So for this example is simple. Integration of, I will take 3 power x. So what is the answer? It is in the form a power x. X is in the power. So answer is 3 power x by log base e 3. Log base e, the base is what? 3 plus c. For all the integrals we should put plus c because these are indefinite integrals. For all indefinite integrals we should put integral constant plus c in every formula. So what is integration of a power x? A power x in a power x divided by log base e a. So now, so let me write the third formula. What is the third formula, my dear students? Integration of a power x. What is integration of a power x? A power x by log base e a plus c. So now we'll see example for each case. So first one, so I'll write integration of x power 5 dx. Is it in the form integration of x power n? What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Do you agree or not? So that will give you x power 6 divided by 6 plus c. You can try differentiating this, you will get x power 5. Second one, direct integration of e power x. What is integration of e power x dx? Answer is e power x. Easiest formula of all because integration of e power x is e power x. Third one, integration of 5 power x. See, please understand, first one is x power 5. In the power we have number, in the base we have variable. But here in the power we have variable, base we have number. It is in the form of a power x. So what is integration of a power x? A power x, 5 power x by log base e a. In the place of a, what you have? 5 plus c. You can differentiate this, you will get this. So derivative of a power x is what? The derivative of 5 is log 5 is constant, take it out. Derivative of 5 power x is 5 power x log 5, cancels, you will get the same. So now 3 formulae I wrote on the list. What are the 3? X power n, e power x, a power x. First memorize them. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus, so 3 formulae I have written. So become thorough with the first 3 formulae. So first one is what? Integration of x power n. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus a. Integration of second one, e power x is e power x. Third one, a power x is a power x by log base ea. So the first 3 formulas are done. So e power n, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, e power x is e power x, a power x is a power x by log a. Become thorough with this. Then we'll go to the other 3 standard functions. Other 3 standard functions, integration of 1 by x is log x plus c. Because you differentiate log x plus c, you will get 1 by x. So what is d by dx of log x? 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of c is 0, you will get 1 by x. That is why integration of 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is what? Log x. So what is integration of 1 by x? Log x plus c. And fourth standard function is integration of 1 by x is log x, and integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Derivative of 2 root x you do, you will get the answer. So now again we go on adding the fourth function. What is the fourth function? Integration of 1 by x. What is integration of 1 by x? Log base e x plus c. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So integration of log x is 1 by x is log x. And what is the fifth one? Integration of 1 by root x. Interesting. Answer is 2 root x. Many times reduction, you can write it in x power n. So I will write power of, take it up, but it is a deck. Directly you can write. You can check this by differentiation technique. So let me trial this with derivatives. So I will take RHS. I will differentiate d by dx of RHS. What is RHS? 2 root x plus c. Okay. So that is d by dx of 2 root x plus d by dx of c. You know 2 is constant, take it out. Apply d by dx for what? Root x. And derivative of c, you know 0. So 2 into what is derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. And derivative of c is what? 0. So 2 cancels. So finally I get 1 by root x. So that's why integration of 1 by root x is what? 2 root x plus c. Now when I differentiate this, I am getting what? 1 by root x. That's why when you integrate 1 by root x, what you will get? 2 root x. So remember this. So integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Then integration of minus 1 by x square is 1 by x. Integration of minus 1 by x square is 1 by x. Because all of you know what is derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. So this completes all 6 standard functions. My dear students, become thorough with all the 6 standard functions. Let me summarize all 6. Become thorough with all 6. So today you have to sit, write and practice and become thorough. Once you are thorough with the formula, then the chapter becomes easy. So standard functions, formulae of standard functions. What is the first standard function I taught you today? X power n. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is the second formula? E power x. What is integration of e power x? E power x only. And third formula, what is the third standard function? A power x. What is integration of a power x? A power x by logarithm to the base EA. I told you the difference between first and third. First base is x, but third power is x. And fourth function, what is the fourth standard function? Integration of 1 by x. What is integration of 1 by x? Easy, because log x. Because you know derivative of log x is 1 by x. That's why integration of 1 by x is log x. Fifth one, integration of 1 by root x. What is integration of 1 by root x? 2 root x plus c. And sixth one, integration of minus 1 by x square. Integration of minus 1 by x square is 1 by x plus c. So these are the 6 standard functions. So what are the 6 standard function? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral of e power x is e power x. Integral of a power x is a power x by log a. Integration of 1 by x log x. Integration of minus 1 by x square 1 by x. Integration of 1 by root x 2 root x. Become thorough with all 6 standard functions. Now trigonometric functions. Integral of sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cot. So very first is integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. You differentiate minus cos x. D by dx of minus cos x, if you do, you know minus is constant, take it out, apply d by dx for cos x, and you know derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So minus of minus sin x becomes sin x. So this is your answer. So that's why when I talk about integral, so integration of this sin x is minus cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Why? Because when you differentiate minus cos x, you will get sin x. When you differentiate minus cos x, you are getting sin x. That's why integration of sin x is minus cos x. So memorize the formula. What is the first formula? Integration of sin x. What is integration of sin x? Minus cos x. And integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Take RHS and differentiate. Take RHS and differentiate. So d by dx of cos x. What is derivative of cos x? Sorry, differentiate the answer. What is the answer? Sin x. I will differentiate this. Derivative of sin x. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x. That's why, that's the reason when I integrate cos x, I should get what? Sin x. Antiderivative. Integrals are antiderivative. Sin x is minus cos x is sin x. Tan x is log of mod secant x. What is integration of tan x? Log of mod secant x. Integration of cot x, log of mod sin x. So these two comes from here, all are in log. Observe, integration of tan x, log of mod secant x. Integration of cot x, log of mod sin x. Now I'll prove the third and fourth. So let me take third one. So first I will trial d by dx of log of mod secant x. I am going back to differentiation. Why? Because derivatives, if you know, you can integrate. So now you differentiate this, definitely you will get tan x. So we'll see what is derivative log f of x, 1 by f of x, 1 by secant x into d by dx of internal function. What is internal function? Secant x, chain rule. So refer differential calculus, there I taught log f of x. What is derivative log f of x? 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x. That is 1 by secant x into derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Now I can cancel secant and secant, so I am left out with tan x. So now we got the answer. So that's the reason. So when I differentiate log of secant x, I am getting tan x. That's why in the formula list, integration of tan x, we wrote what? What is integration of tan x, my dear students? It is log of mod of secant x. What is the reason? Because plus c always. What is the reason I have to take this? Because when I differentiate, so when I differentiate log of secant x, I am getting tan x. That's why when I integrate this, I should get this. So integration of this with respect to x, answer is this. I hope all of you understood this. Now going back to this, then first three formats you're thorough. What is the first one? Integration of sin minus cos, integration of cos sin x, integration of tan x log of mod secant x, and then integration of log of sin x. See, integration of cot x is log of mod sin x. You differentiate it to d by dx of log of sin x. You know how to differentiate log of mod sin x? So derivative log f of x is what? 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x. So it will become 1 by sin x into derivative of internal function, that is sin x. That is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. And derivative, that will become cos x by sin x. What is cos x by sin x? Cos x by sin x is cot x. So you got cot x if you refer. So now you got cot x. So when I differentiate this log of sin x, my answer is cot x. That's why when I integrate this cot x with respect to x, I should get this as answer. Hope all of you got this. So now we are done with 4 formats: sin, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Secant and cosecant also differentiate the RHS, you will get LHS. Now let me write the list. What is the list? Trigonometric functions. The first is integration of sin x. What is integration of sin x, my dear students? Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Then write integration of cos x, 6 trigonometric functions. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integration of tan x, from here it is important, from here every function you will get log of mod secant x. Please sit and become thorough. So please sit and revise this and become thorough with the formula. If you don't know the formula, problems will become difficult. Integration of cot x dx. What is integration of cot x? Log of mod sin x. I told you from here every function gives you log. Tan is log of mod secant x, cot is log of mod sin x. Then integration of secant x. What is integration of secant x dx? Integration of secant x is log of mod secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. Then integration of cosecant x. Integration of cosecant x is log of mod cot x minus cosecant x. and then we have 4 antiderivatives. Along with this we have, so these are the 6 trigonometric functions. Now I will go for what? 4 antiderivatives. Very important. Integration, 4 standard functions in trigonometry. Integration of secant square x. All of you know d by dx of tan x. What is d by dx of tan x? Differentiation of tan x. In the differential calculus you learn derivative of tan x is secant square x. That is the reason integration of secant square x is one of the important formula. Integration of secant square x is tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Integration of secant x into tan x. What is integration of secant x into tan x? Most important. Integration of secant into tan is secant x plus c. And integration of cosecant x into cot x. What is integration of cosecant x into cot x? Minus cosecant x. So if you differentiate secant, it will become secant into tan. If you differentiate minus cosecant, it will become this. So you know derivative of secant x into tan x. What is derivative of secant x, my dear students? It is secant into tan. So that's why when I differentiate this, or when I integrate this, I should get this. That's why in the formula list, integration of secant into tan is secant. So all these formulae are important. One is secant square. What is integration of secant square? Tan x. What is integration of cosecant square? Minus cot. Integration of secant into tan, secant x. Integration of cosecant into cot, minus cosecant x. All this formula become thorough, and every formula what I wrote on the board are important. 4 antiderivatives. Integration of secant square is tan. Integration of cosecant square, minus cot. Integration of secant into tan, secant. Integration of cosecant into cot, minus cosecant. These 4 along with that 6 trigonometric, 6 standard functions, you should become thorough. Along with this, we'll also have rules. So very interesting. Please make a note of this and important. Integration of k dx. K means constant. You know differentiation of constant is what? 0. But integration of k dx is kx plus c. Kx plus c. Example. Integration of 5 dx. 5 is constant, so it will become 5x plus c. If you do integration of 2 d theta, instead of x I am integrating with theta, so it will become 2 theta plus c. So integration of constant is not 0, integration of constant is constant into x. And the next important thing is integration of constant into function. If you have integration of constant into function, if you have, take the constant out and integrate the function. Take the constant out and integrate the function. Example, if you have integration of 5 into, say, 5 into cos x dx. You know 5 is a number is a constant, take it out, integrate the cos x. What is integration of cos x in the formula list? Sin x. Always we integrate, we should put plus c. This is an example. Here also plus c. What is integration of k dx? Kx plus c. Integration of k into f of x, k take it out and apply integration for f of x. I hope I gave 6 standard functions, 6 trigonometric functions, 4 antiderivatives, rules. 6 standard functions. Integration of x per n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, e per x, a per x by log a, 1 by x log x, 1 by root x, 2 root x, minus 1 by x square, 1 by x. Then standard function, trigonometric function, sin x minus cos x sin x, tan x log of mod secant x, cot x log of mod sin x, secant x log of mod secant x plus tan x, cosecant x log of mod cot x minus cosecant x. And antiderivatives, integration of secant square x tan x, integration of cosecant square x minus cot x, integration of secant into tan secant x, cosecant into cot minus cosecant x. And rules, integration of constant is not 0, integration of k dx is kx plus c, integration of k into f of x, take k outside and apply integration for f of x. So today sit and learn all these things, write and practice, then you attend my next session, then it will become easy. Dear students, in today's class I taught you formula, become thorough with the formula and attend my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.